If you've ever tried slowing down a clip in CapCut and ended up with a choppy, jittery mess, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut using the new method, so your footage looks clean, cinematic, and professional. This is perfect for action shots, transitions, sports clips, dancing videos, or any moment where you want that buttery slow motion effect without ruining the quality. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and start a new project. Once you're inside, click Import and bring in the video file you want to edit. After that, drag your clip down onto the timeline so you can start working with it. Now, the first important step is isolating the exact part of the video you want to slow down. Move your playhead to the point where the slow motion should begin, then press Ctrl+ to split the clip. Next, move the playhead to where you want the slow motion to end and split it again. This gives you a separate section that you can edit without affecting the rest of your video. Click on that specific clip so it's selected. Now look at the video panel in the top right corner of the screen. This is where all of your clip adjustments are located. Click on the speed tab and make sure normal is selected. From here, you will see the speed slider. Drag that slider to the left to slow the clip down. For a strong, dramatic slow motion effect, try setting it somewhere between 0.2x and 0.5x. At this point, you may notice the preview looks a little choppy, and that's completely normal. Don't worry, because this is where the new method comes in. Directly underneath the speed slider, you'll see the option for smooth slow-mo. Turn that on by checking the box. Once it's enabled, click the drop-down menu next to it. CapCut will give you two choices: frame blending and optical flow. Frame blending can render faster, but it often looks blurry or less natural. For the cleanest result, choose optical flow. This is the setting you want because CapCut uses AI to analyze the motion between frames and generate new frames in between, which makes the slow motion look much smoother and more realistic. After you choose optical flow, CapCut will start processing the clip. You'll want to wait until the timeline processing bar reaches 100% before doing anything else. This step is important because it gives CapCut time to build the smooth motion properly. If you skip this and export too early, the result may not look as clean as it should. Once the processing is finished, preview your clip again and you should see a much smoother slow motion effect with far less stutter. If you want the best results, keep a few things in mind. Use footage with good lighting whenever possible, because optical flow works better when it can clearly detect movement. Try to avoid extremely fast camera shakes, since those can sometimes create visual warping. And if the motion looks too extreme at 0.2x, test a slightly faster setting like 0.3x or 0.4x for a more natural look. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're ready to export your video and share it. That's all it takes to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut using the new method. It's fast, simple, and once you know where the optical flow option is, it becomes one of the easiest ways to upgrade your edits. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.